Meaning of Ecuadorian.
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 Ecuadorian. Ecuadorian refers to something or someone related to Ecuador, a country located in South America. It could refer to the country's culture, language, people, or products. Ecuador is known for its diverse geography, including the Andes Mountains, Amazon rainforest, and Galapagos Islands, as well as its rich indigenous heritage. Ecuadorian cuisine often includes fresh seafood, potatoes, and corn-based dishes. The country is also famous for its handicrafts and textiles. Overall, Ecuadorian signifies something unique and distinctive that is associated with Ecuador and its people.